Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to download an app or game from the Microsoft Store, but find it is unavailable in your current location, changing your region is the quickest fix. Because the Microsoft Store relies on your main Windows settings to display local content, updating your system region automatically updates the store. In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do this in just 3 simple steps. First, following the best practice from the classic method, make sure to close the Microsoft Store completely if you currently have it open on your desktop. This ensures your new settings apply cleanly without needing a full system reboot later. Next, open your Windows Start menu, search for Settings, and click to open the app. You can also press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard for instant access. Once your settings window is open, look at the left sidebar and click on Time and Language. From the main panel on the right, select Language and Region. If you are using Windows 10, this option will simply be labeled Region in the left-hand menu. Now, scroll down until you see the Region section. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Country or Region. Click on it and select your desired location from the list, such as the United States or the United Kingdom. Windows will apply this geographic configuration immediately to your system environment. To verify the update, open the Microsoft Store again. You will notice the content, available applications, and localized pricing have automatically refreshed to match your newly selected country. You can always switch back to your original region anytime using these exact same steps. If you found this quick guide helpful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.